Each and every one. Alright, welcome to the first birthday party of Brianna Joey. And tonight we are all gathered to celebrate. Again, welcome to the birthday and baptismal celebration of Brianna. So let us start. By the way, my name is Josh and I'll be your host for tonight. So, okay, so I will ask you a random. Come on, come on! No, sir, manager. Baka na manager. Baka na manager. Okay, look at Tita. Sir, really, from the bottom of my heart. Because feeling happy, action! No. She's done with the happy. There's four things. Okay. Okay, Miss Anne. Choose the